Discipline is one of the most challenging aspects of parenting. Many parents struggle to manage their toddler's behavior without resorting to punishments, yelling, or bribes. The key to effective discipline is to teach, not punish. This week, we'll explore why traditional discipline methods fail and how to guide your child's behavior with respect, consistency, and love. Timeouts increase anxiety. Instead of teaching toddlers why their behavior is wrong, timeouts make them feel rejected and confused. Spanking or yelling creates fear. It might stop bad behavior in the moment, but it teaches children to fear authority rather than understand right and wrong. Bribing with rewards is manipulative. If children get a treat every time they behave well, they only behave to get something, not because it's the right thing to do.
We've all been there, raising our voice or considering a quick smack out of frustration. Sure, it might stop the behavior for a moment, but what does it really teach? When a child is yelled at or spanked, they don't think, "I should behave better next time." Instead, they think, "I need to be careful not to get caught." Over time, this creates fear rather than understanding. Instead of punishment, try calm and firm communication. Explain why the behavior is wrong and what they should do instead. And when it comes to bribing for good behavior, it's tempting to offer rewards. But kids start behaving only when they expect something in return. A better approach? Praise effort and choices instead of giving prizes. This builds intrinsic motivation, where kids want to do the right thing simply because it feels good. So, what actually works in parenting? It's not about controlling behavior. Instead of punishment or bribes, focus on setting clear expectations. Use natural consequences and help kids regulate their emotions. These small shifts create lasting behavior changes. Not out of fear or rewards, but because your child truly understands right from wrong. Parenting is challenging, but shifting focus from control to connection makes it easier. When your toddler refuses to listen, offer them a choice instead of forcing them. Public tantrums can be overwhelming, but staying calm is key. If your child hits or bites, avoid harsh punishment. Guide them with patience to help develop better emotional control. Setting boundaries without being harsh is an art. Consistency is key, stick to your rules, but with kindness. Keep it simple and direct, guiding with patience. It's about teaching, not controlling. Build a positive connection through discipline. Listen first, then guide. Ask, "What's wrong? How can I help?" A hug after discipline shows love remains unchanged. Discipline with patience, guidance, and respect, not fear. Dear parents, let's navigate this journey together. Share your challenges in the comments, and let's tackle them.